In this session, I will introduce the symbols of controlled voltage and current sources. So, if it is a control source, it is diamond shaped. So, if it is a controlled voltage source, then it is a diamond shape with plus and minus sign. So, this is a controlled voltage source, this is also a controlled voltage source. If it is a controlled current source, again it is diamond shape, but there will be an arrow inside. So, this is a controlled current source, controlled current source. So, this is a controlled voltage source which is controlled by the current I1, which is the current here. So, this voltage source provides a terminal voltage, constant terminal voltage equal to 10 I1, where I1 is this. So, as long as I1 is not varying, this voltage is also not varying. Now, this is another controlled voltage source which is controlled by the voltage Vx. Now, this Vx is here, the potential difference across this resistor. So, as long as Vx is unchanged, 5 Vx, which is the terminal voltage across this voltage source, will remain unchanged. Similarly, this controlled current source is controlled by I1, that is the current offered by it is 4 I1. So, as long as I1, which is the current here, is not changing, the current supplied by this current source is not changing. And then this is another current source which is controlled by Vx. So, Vx is this voltage. So, as long as this Vx is not changing, the current supplied by this current source is also not changing. So, the controlled current sources, like ideal current sources, have infinite internal resistance, and the controlled voltage sources, like ideal voltage sources, have zero internal resistance. So, they are otherwise like ideal sources. The only difference is that they are controlled by another current or another voltage. Thanks for watching.